Welcome to Lowarth Grove, an exclusive collection of just 5 beautifully designed homes in the picturesque village of Trematon. Set within a peaceful and secluded setting, Lowarth Grove combines modern luxury with the charm and tranquility of village life. Inside, you'll find stylish contemporary kitchens, generous living spaces, and beautifully appointed bathrooms, all designed to provide comfort, practicality, and lasting quality. Steeped in history, the village of Trematon is home to the impressive Trematon Castle, while nearby Saltash offers a wide range of shops, restaurants, schools, and everyday amenities. Perfectly positioned for commuters, Lowarth Grove enjoys excellent connections to Plymouth, Cornwall, and beyond. Discover Lowarth Grove and experience the very best of countryside living. Contact Bradley's estate agents today to find out more.